Hey, what's going on? Hey, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact simple step-by-step process that you can use to start generating thousands and thousands of sales and start making money online using LinkedIn. I want you to take a look at some results here. You can take a look at this is 204 people who have viewed my profile, and I want you to stick around up to the end so that I want to show you how I am really actually converting these people who are jumping to take a look at my profile, and I am making them to become hot leads. And after making them to become hot leads, hot prospects, I'm able to send them different offers that they're able to buy, and they are actually able to help me make money. So that's one actually. This is one thing that I want to show you. The second thing is, let me jump into my email, and I want you to take a look at this. You have got a lead, you have got a lead, and this happens all the way. All these leads, most of them, I get them from LinkedIn. I just warm them up on my Facebook profile, but most of these things I actually get them from LinkedIn. So what I want you to do, because this is a continuation of a video that I did on my channel, which is this video whereby I'm talking about how to make 150 dollars a day and make money online in affiliate marketing. I want you to go and take a look at this video, because this is definitely a continuation. Here I talked about how you can set up your profile to be professional so that you may be able to generate all these type of traffic like this 204 people who viewed my actually my dashboard, right? So after you've gone watch this video, now you can come and continue watching this video that I'm shooting, because today it's all about using this about section, your about section here, using this about section. Okay, and I want you to show you, just even before we dive in, so that you may stick around to this video up to the end. I really want to show you the importance of this strategy and the practicality of it, and how I'm really using it for me 100% to start generating leads and actually make sales. So you can see this is an about section, and I am just so simple and direct on what I am doing, and that's what you're supposed to do. But when you come here, you hear me saying learn how you can start making money online using these free strategies. Then here you can see this is my link, and then here I'm telling people to copy and paste. So let's copy and paste, and let me show you exactly what happens when you do this, because this is very, very important to help you start making money using LinkedIn. So let's copy and paste that link. Right, come paste here, and let's see where does it direct us. It directs us to my landing page. Discover a simple proven strategy that makes 68,748 using only free buyer traffic without spending a dime. So when you click here, what happens is you're being told to fill in your name and email address. When you click the get access now button, what happens is it sends you to an offer that I am promoting, and this is the offer that I am promoting. So why is it important, right? This is the offer that I'm promoting. Why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because when you come here and you take a look at this is free traffic that is coming to your profile. You can see this is 204 people who have viewed your profile. From these 204 people, guess what? Most of the people are curious, and the reason why they're coming to take a look at your profile is because they are curious to learn more on this. You can see this on the cover photo here. I've not talked about anything about D&M marketing. All I've just done here is put my logo and just put the name here. So this makes them to be curious, and that's why I'm telling you it is very, very important to come here on my channel. Let me show you how this video actually really looks. I'm telling you it is very, very important to come here on my channel and watch this video, right? Because I'm showing you how exactly you can set up this, okay? So that people may be interested and may be curious to come now and take a look at your profile. So the about section, that's the first part. And how do you really get people who are interested in the making money online niche? The good thing about LinkedIn, it has a search tab. Okay, for example, if you want to reach out to people who really are interested in making money online, all you just need to do is come here and search make money online. When you search make money online, LinkedIn will be able to bring you come here and click on people, because the people, companies, posts, group, jobs, all this, and all this I'll be sharing with you how you can really use all these to your advantage. So let's click on people. When you take a look at people, we have 212,000. This is free traffic that you are actually able to use right now. And the reason why you really understand these people are interested in making money online, you can see online publishing at Silver Fox Make Money Online. So all you just need to do is come here and click the connect. Right here you can add a note if you want. If you want to add, for example, for me, I'll tell this person, hello, I just thought it would be great to connect with you. Looking forward to hear from you. I just took some time and looked at your profile, and it looks amazing. So let me give you the behind strategy of why I'm telling this person. I just took some time and looked at your profile, and it looks amazing. The reason, when you write this message, what happens is this person feels, hey, all right, this person feels this, that you took some time to actually go and look at their profile. So what they'll do is, it's all about scratch my back, I scratch your back. So what they will do is they will also come and take a look at your profile to start seeing what does this person do. Okay, so you just want to copy this message and then send to that person. All right, they will connect with you. Add, copy, paste, send, and this is what you want to do with all of these people until your LinkedIn will tell you stop. Okay, so add, paste, send. This is exactly what I do. Okay, paste, just paste a note, the note that I've told you, paste it. That's exactly what happens. So when you this is known as sending someone a connection, and you can see these are all people who are interested in marketing, make money online, weekly payouts, digital marketing, make money online from home, and then make money online strategies at home, entrepreneur, make money online, make money online. These are all people who are interested. So what will happen is these people will connect with you. And how are you able to know if these people have connected with you or not? You just want to come here on my networks. When you click my networks, you will see on this part here where I'm saying I'm having 1,771 people. These are 1,771 leads. You can see 2,840 contacts. So what you want to do here is you want to just come and check on connections. When you come and check on connections, you can see these are people, marketing automation, e-commerce, online marketing, business owner, network marketing, online. So you can see, this is how you're able to see those kind of people that you have connected with them. Okay, so here's the deal. If you now want to leverage this free traffic, definitely, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're actually getting started right now, stick around, because I'm going to be giving you a bonus on how you can promote your own product and leverage this traffic. So we have taken a look at, this is all about setting up your about section. All right, and I've showed you how you can really use this free traffic that is coming in. So what will be happening is, you've seen how you're able to now drive free traffic on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, drive free traffic on your LinkedIn profile. So the next step is, if you don't have an offer, for example, or if you're an affiliate marketing, you have your offer, it is well and good. What you want to do is, you just want to come and put a link here. All right, put your link here. But if you're a beginner and you don't have an offer to promote, you don't have anything that you can sell and actually promote it outside there, all I want you to do is just come here, check below on this check below on this video. There will be a link that I'm talking about, my #1 recommended way to make money online, and it will take you to the page that I showed you earlier. this page. Okay, this page, it will take you to this page. Make sure you can just click here, fill in your email address. It will redirect you to this page. Okay, so on this page you'll be shown how you can actually get free buyer traffic plus the linking bonus that I'm giving you, and how you can actually how you can actually get how you can get you'll be shown also how you can get an affiliate link to actually promote this offer. Because when you take a look at this offer, let me show you this offer. How is it performing? This offer, it's actually getting it's getting a 19% conversion rate, and from the 19% conversion rate, it's been able to actually get to people to 2000 plus people have been able to get this one, and it has a very high conversion rate of 19%. So what you want to do is click that link below that I've told you. Make sure to come and fill in your email address, and make sure to stick around and hit that subscription button. And let's meet on the next video, because on the next video I'm going to be sharing with you how to use the featured section. And hey, the strategies that I've shared with you right now, if you start implementing it immediately, you will start actually taking your business to the next level. So on the next video, it will be the featured section, how you can use the featured section. I'll still be showing you why the 204 people are always converting. And remember, these are 204 people who viewed your profile. This number always changes each and every time. And also, I'll be sharing with you a bonus on how you can reach out to these people, because they have already connected with you. And after connecting with you, how can you really talk to them, and what message should you send them so that they may be able to come and take a look at your offer? For example, you can see I usually have a lot of conversations here on LinkedIn. You can see I usually have a lot of conversations here on LinkedIn. So have a good time. Let's meet on the next video. And hey, always remember to hit that subscription button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would really appreciate if I see some of your comments down there. If you have any question, feel free to ask me any question in the comments below. And always remember to click the notification button below so that you may not miss out on any of these videos that I make each and every day. Have a good time. Let's meet on the next video.